Hello and welcome back to ENG and my name is Bharati. Let's learn present continuous tense in this video. Always remember, tense means the time of action and verb plays a major role in tenses. Verb is a word that denotes an action, a state of being and possession. Now let's begin. Present continuous tense is used to express an action going on at the time of speaking. That is, present continuous tense is a tense which denotes an action which is going on at the time of speaking. It means that an action has started and that action is continuing. It is not completed. It is continuing. So when we state that continuing action, we say continuous tense. And when we state that action in the present time, it is called present continuous tense. That is, at that moment, if the action is taking place, then it is called as present continuous tense. Look at the example. She is singing now. This ing form of the verb denotes the continuing action. If ing is added to the verb, that is, if it is verb plus ing, it shows that the action is continuing. It shows an action is continuing, but only this verb plus ing will not give a fulfillment. Only if a be verb is added before the verb ing, we will understand at what time the action is continuing, whether the time is present or past or future. We'll just see the rules one by one. Now the first example, she is singing now. Here she is the subject and it is singular. Is the be form of verb. I already told, with verb plus ing, only if a be verb is added, that be verb will denote the tense of the action. So since is here, this denotes the present action. And since is here, that is, only if the noun is singular, we use is. The next sentence, the boys are playing cricket. The boys, this is plural. So if the noun is plural, we use are. Then the verb ing. I am reading a novel. So am is the be verb for I, and read plus ing. This shows that the action is continuing. Now let us see a few more examples. Now first, before that, let us see how the formation of present continuous tense is. The formation of present continuous tense is be verb plus ing. So we use a be form of verb. That is very important in the continuous tense. I playing is a meaningless sentence. It should be either I am playing or I was playing or I will be playing. Without the be form of verb, the ing form of verb will give no sense. So the be form of verb for present continuous tense plus verb, and we add ing with that verb. And the present be verbs are is, are and am. Is used with singular nouns, are is used with plural nouns, and am is special and am is used with I. So we use either is plus verb plus ing, or are plus verb plus ing, or am plus verb plus ing. This depends upon the subject that is given. Either is plus verb plus ing, or are plus verb plus ing, or am plus verb plus ing. So the formation of present continuous tenses, be verb plus ing. Now for singular subject, use is plus verb plus ing. I already told you in the previous slide. For singular subject, we use is and verb plus ing. He is going to watch a movie tonight. Here he is the singular subject, so we use is, and go is the verb. We add ing to it to make it a continuous tense. So he is going, it becomes a present continuous tense, and he is in the singular form. She is watering the plants. So she is the subject which is in singular, and so we use is, and water is the verb. We add ing to make it a continuous tense. She is watering the plants. The bird is building a nest. The bird, this is a singular subject, and is we use for the singular subject. Build is the verb, and ing is used to denote the continuous action. So this is how we used the verb plus ing for singular subject, that is plus verb plus ing. Next, for plural subjects, use are plus verb plus ing, that is are for plural subject, and we use the verb plus the ing form of the verb. We are not flying kites. So we is the plural form, that is the subject, and so we use the plural be verb are. Not denotes the negative action. We can frame the negative sentences as well as the positive sentences. So not denotes a negative action, and fly is the verb, and we have added ing to show the action which is continuing. Next, they are collecting funds. They again is a plural subject. Are is the plural verb. Are is the plural verb, and collect is the main verb. We add ing to show the continuing action. You are going to represent our team. You is considered as a plural noun. It is plural, so we use are, and go is the verb, and we add ing to show the continuing action. So this is how verb plus ing is used along with the plural subject, that is are plus verb plus ing. Next we have am. If I is the subject, that is I. If I is the subject, use am plus verb ing. If the subject is I, use am plus verb ing. I am not going abroad. Here I is there, so we use am. Not shows the negative sense, and go is the verb, and we use verb ing to show the continuing action. I am trying to complete the course soon. Here again I, and so we use am. Try is the verb, ing is the continuous verb to complete the course. I am trying. I am going to write a book. I is the subject, am is the be verb, and go plus verb ing. I am going to write a book. So this is how, that is am plus verb plus ing is used with I. That is, if the subject is I, we use am plus verb plus ing in present continuous tense. Now, how interrogative sentences are used in present continuous tense. How the interrogative sentences are formed. We can form interrogative sentences using, that is, we have two interrogatives. One is yes or no type questions. The other one is the WH questions, that is yes or no questions or WH questions. We have two types of interrogatives. So both yes or no type as well as WH questions can be framed using the interrogative sentences in present continuous tense. So are you coming with me? Here you is the plural noun, and so we use are. Always remember, in an interrogative sentence, the verb will begin the sentence, then we have the noun. Usually for a declarative sentence, we have the noun in the front and then the verb follows. But in the interrogative sentence, verb comes first, then a noun follows. So, are you coming? Come is the verb and ing is used to denote the continuous action. Is she baking a cake? This she is singular. Here you is plural. She is singular, so we use is, and baking ing form. Is she baking a cake? Am I hearing a tract? Here I is used as a subject, so we use am. Here is the verb and ing denotes the continuous action. So these are the yes or no type questions. Next we have WH questions. Whom are you searching for? Whom are you? You is the plural noun and so we use are. And search, verb plus ing is used to denote the continuous action. Where is your pup running? Where is the WH word? Whom is the WH word? Where is the WH word? Your pup running. Here pup is singular. This is singular, so we use is. Where is your pup running? Why are you going out now? So why is the WH question. Since you is used, this is the subject here and this is in plural form, so we use are. Why are you going out now? Go plus verb ing. So this is how the interrogative sentences are formed in the present continuous tense. To sum up, we learnt what present continuous tense is. We learnt its formation, the be verbs and the ing verbs. We learnt how to frame interrogative sentences using present continuous tense. That is, we learnt both the yes or no type of question as well as the WH questions. This marks the end of present continuous tense. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share and hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon. Also drop your comments in the comment box. Thanks for watching.